Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have low-resolution images that you want to turn into something that looks like it was taken with a high-end camera? With AI, you can. In this video, I will recommend a personal favorite AI tool to effectively upscale images. Let's go. I've tried a lot of impressive AI tools, but if I had to pick the best based on how well they work and how good the images they produce are, this AI generator is my favorite. It mainly turns text into images and has many unique models ready to use, but it also has a special feature that can make your photos up to 4 times their original quality. If you're interested in checking it out, click my link below to sign up, get access to the AI tool, and receive up to 1,000 free credits when you register. To begin, go to the Tools tab and find the Upscale menu. Upload the image you want to enhance, but remember, it must be 1 megabyte or less. This tool uses AI upscaling models based on enhanced super-resolution generative adversarial networks, but each is designed for different kinds of images. For regular photos, RESR GAN4X Plus is usually the best option. If you're upscaling anime, manga, or 2D artwork, choose RESR GAN4X plus Anime 6B instead. Next, set the upscale factor. This number multiplies the current width and height of the image to give you a higher resolution result. If your image contains faces, turn Face Enhance on for a smoothing effect. Otherwise, leave it off. Finally, click Upscale to start the enhancement. The processing time depends on how detailed your image is. Remember, this feature uses credits for each generation. Once the image is upscaled, let's download it and compare it to the original to see the difference. As you can see, the original image is only 640 by 960, while the upscaled version is now 2560 by 3840. That's 4 times bigger, exactly the upscale factor I applied. Please understand that simply increasing the pixel resolution of an image does not automatically improve its quality or add details to it. However, it can make textures look sharper and smoother, which makes the image seem more enhanced. Let's look at my photo as an example. When the original image is zoomed in, it starts to look a bit blurry and pixelated. Now, look at the upscaled version. Even when zoomed in to the same level, it is noticeably clearer than the original. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.